Peter, market reaction, Italy stocks down, other European stocks are rising, Italian bond yields are gaining, euros, treading water. Investors taking it in their calm.
Yeah, I mean, I think that was always going to be the case. I mean, we're kind of used to uncertainty in elections generally. That's something we've got used to over the course of the past couple of years anyway. And particularly with regard to Italy, I think we kind of already knew that it was going to be an indeterminate outcome. What will happen now, I think, or what will determine the path of the euro, particularly with regards to Italian developments, will be what kind of government finally comes out of this. And that could be, weeks away. So markets are thinking, well, we've got other things to worry about. We've got Trump, we've got trade tariffs. Italy is actually way down the worry list for the euro right now.
ECB on Thursday, of course. Wolfango, let's get to the question that Peter brings up there. What sort of government are we looking at? Who's going to get given the mandate to govern by the president?
It's very difficult to say. We are in a situation where the political landscape has been completely transformed. If you look at the numbers, the available numbers, it's still early hours here, it's difficult to see how you can create a coalition there. The centre-right has got the biggest parliamentary bloc, 260, 270, still short. That could be the starting base, but this will take weeks, if not months. And a positive outcome here is certainly not a given.
Peter, is there any kind of coalition that would really rattle the markets? I mean, we've been talking about Lega plus five-star movement. That feels very unlikely. But actually, some people here in Rome are saying if you want power, then maybe this is something that Mr. Di Maio of the five-star movement would envisage.
Yes, I mean, I think that would certainly, the idea that you got the League and five-star together certainly would be something which rattles the markets. But it's not so much the formation of the coalition itself which would, I think, really hurt markets. It is what would the coalition actually do? What kind of policies would they put forward? I mean, if you start to get a kind of radical anti-immigration, higher taxes kind of policy, that would certainly start to concern markets, because we've seen what happens when populism starts to get out of control. We've seen it here in the UK. The last thing the EU needs, now that it appears to be getting back on its feet, or certainly the Eurozone needs, would be further instability coming from Italy, which frankly has been one of the problem children for some time.